Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel Kids Zone. I am Binish. Today we did vocabulary of letter A, and today we are going to do vocabulary of letter B. And the sound of letter B is B. All of you repeat after me. B. B. So let's start reading. Wow, baby. Baby likes banana and balloons. Baby likes banana and balloons. Baby likes banana and balloons. Bird is black and blue. Bird is black and blue. Bird is black and blue. Berries are in the brown basket. Berries are in the brown basket. Berries are in the brown basket. Y is eating bread and butter. Y is eating bread and butter. Y is eating bread and butter. Now these all are words which are starting with letter B. So let's revise them. B, baby. B, baby. B, banana. B, banana. B, balloons. B, balloons. B, bird. B, bird. B, black. B, black. B, blue. B, blue. B, berries. B, berries. B, brown. B, brown. B, basket. B, basket. B, boy. B, boy. B, bird. B, bread. B, bread. B, butter. B, butter. For your precious time, do subscribe, like and share my channel.